Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is February 1st, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Tesla was down $5.47. That's 0.58%. Closed at 931.25. Post-market, we are up 275. So let's look at what this looks like on the chart. Yesterday, we had this big green candle with a longer wick at the bottom, so showing that there's some buying pressure up there. And today, we have basically a sideways candle with a very small bodied with a longer wick at the bottom again. So this is showing that the stock tried to go down, but then was pushed back up by the buyers. So this is generally a good sign. And it cannot be more precise than this because we are right smack on the double resistance. Can it be more precise than that? I don't think so. The stock has not broken those double resistance yet. It's still possible that we go down. You need to have your eyes peeled to see if there's a breakout that is coming tomorrow. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. Pretty uneventful day. So this is the first candle of the day right here with the longer wick here that went and touched, for those that love moving averages. So went and touched the 50-day moving average. So use the 50-day moving average as support. And then basically went just sideways, maintained itself pretty good. Stochastic at 91, pretty good. Going back to the daily chart, things have not turned around yet. Not even MACD. Not even MACD has turned around yet. Things are still iffy from a daily perspective. From an hourly perspective, this was a nice move right here. So the move to catch was yesterday. At the opening on the first candle, everything was fantastic. You had stochastic at 56, but then you can cheat a little bit when you have this nice green candle like this. And yeah, you could have made a little bit of money here. So let's just wait and see what Tesla is doing. Let's just take a quick look at the Dow Jones, at the indices. So Dow Jones rebounding quite nicely, but then we have this downward resistance that is still in play. SPX, pretty much the same thing, going back up nicely, but we are still in a downtrend. Nasdaq Composite seems to have broken this downtrend a little bit, but stochastic is still very low, so I'm not that convinced yet. And NDX, this one has almost, barely broken it, and stochastic still under 60. Things are looking back up. Are they going to be up for a while? I don't know, but they are going back up after the big fall that we had last week. So always look at the downward resistance to see if they get broken up, and always look at stochastic at over 60 to confirm that this is a nice breakup. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.